Thank you, Thorpe. Looking forward to a good afternoon of cricket. That's a lovely start from Leicestershire, unfortunately for Durham. To eases that one through extra cover.
Beautiful hands from Budinger. That's guided away down to third for 4. Started off a little bit expensive in the first game, Matthew Potts. Backs away and slaps this one back over Matthew Potts' head for 4. Lovely shot from Eskinazi. His first boundary. He moves on to 6. Budinger's on 10. Oh, and is this a chance? It's chipped in the air.
What a catch.
Excellent ground made by Will Rhodes, I think it is, there at mid-on. And this is driven back over Aldridge's head. Will it go all the way for 6? Yes. It does. That creates opportunities at the death. Budinger across, and that's good pace and good bounce from Potts. Risky. It's been a solid power play even from Durham.
Oh, that's outstanding.
Salter, that is magnificent. The cockatoo's in full flight. That's a beautiful shot. Great use of the feet. All the way downtown for 6.
Get him through the offside so far as a goal.
It's hammered into the gap at Cal corner. Gap. Again, really using that bottom hand. Oh, that's hammered away. Again, bowling to his field. Potts out in the deep. Right up. Yeah, nice batting, using what little pace there was on that ball. That's really clever. Yeah.
Oh, unlucky.
Great effort. Great effort. That was hammered away.
Lance group.
Absolutely. This is hit against the wind. Will it hold up? Will it hold up? It's just got enough. Just enough. Oh, this goes straight up the chimney. And gone. Gone, gone, gone. Nathan Salter in the game again. Turner, you've talked about his inside out over cover. There's 2 fielders in the covers for that reason. But he goes over the top. And away for his first boundary. Oh, that's in the arc. Does he get enough of it?
Oh.
He gets just enough to evade Will Rhodes.
It's been absolutely fantastic so far.
Oh, that is that step hit that I was talking about, and Turner doesn't miss it. He step hits it into the car park.
Ow.
Oh, 2 overs.
2 stumps.
2 stumps gone. Looking to ramp. Ball not where he wanted it, and Kelly goes for 29 from 26. Cox gets this into the leg side. Turner's thinking 2 immediately. It could be run out at the keeper's end, but good work. Pace off again. And I tell you what was really good work. He's backing up as well, protecting his figures. Oh, yes. Matthew Potts, full straight. There were 3 stumps. There's now 2. There's the answer. And does he hold out to Ackerman, who gets there comfortably in the end? I actually thought he moved too well to the ball. Yeah, he lines it up. And gone. Matthew Potts out in the deep. Pace off again from Ben Rain. Hit high on the bat. Yeah, excellent work. Again, Potts executing his skills.
He knows what he's going to do when he tries to execute that.
I'll tell you what, that's got to him very, very quickly. Casey Aldridge was running in towards that last ball. Yeah, brilliant execution again. They're going to run. They're going to come back. Can they get a run out at the keeper's end? Will Rhodes fires. And it hits the batter, which Travaskis didn't alter his line at all. That ends the innings. Oh, and that one just clears mid-wicket, but will be the first boundary. Over. Clark picks it up, and he hits it straight down deep square's throat, who drops it. And worse than that, Ben Mike's allowed it to go through his legs for 4. Awful to play against. Lee slaps that one beautifully over and through cover for 4. They've got a man catching. And this one he gets over mid-off. 1 bounce for 4. Again, that's just strength. Trusting your game. Lees hits this one down the ground a little bit like I was talking about on Friday night. To stand up tall. Not just muscle it, but time that so nicely. Oh, that's 6. Absolutely zeroed as soon as that left the bat. Graham Clark. And again, this time he finds the boundary again. Ben Mike over his head for 6 more. And Durham are off to a flyer 34 without loss. Oh my God, that's 6. Just got inside that one. And helped it on its way, and all the way, 3 in a row. That's 6 more. 4 sixes in the over. This one's hit up and over mid-off, and all the way for a big 6. Right down to Chester the Lion, who was just sat on his chair. That's what you want as a team. Oh dear. That is not the length to bowl to Graham Clark with the wind. He's not missing out on that. He hit 3 sixes in a row against the wind. Oh, and he's gone straight up in the air. Has this gone all the way for 6? It has, and that's 50 for Graham Clark. 6 sixes in that innings. That's 4 more. Helped on its way down the leg side. Come on. Well bowled. That's beautifully driven away for 4. As a bowler, you just give the batter a nod. Oh my God. That is the one I was talking about. He hit a couple at Derby just off the back foot and muscled it straight. That's hammered through the covers. That's 4.
That is
4. From the moment it left the bat. And he picks up a wicket first ball. You can hear the gasps from the crowd as Alex Lees goes for 44 off 25. 4 fours and 2 sixes. Oh my goodness, Ben Rain, get your eye in. There's a little wonder down the ground.
To not panic and get themselves out of them.
Pulled away for 4 more from Ben Rain. Who picks up exactly where his skipper left off. Oh, and this is hit in the air with the wind. Will it carry? Will it carry? It doesn't. So Ben Rain's little cameo ends. Ben Mike picks up a couple of wickets. And this could be another wicket. Hit straight down Ashton Turner's throat, who makes no mistake. This one's tucked away. It's tucked away fine, and it will go all the way for 4 from Ackerman. A lovely flick of the wrists. Gets his first boundary. Bowled him. Robinson slaps this one through the covers. A real area of strength for him, and he'll pick up his first boundary. This one slapped over the covers by Ollie Robinson. For 4 more, just 7 to win. This excellent Bankstones Riverside surface. That's carved away for 4. Game, set, match. Durham, who win with 37 balls to spare by 6 wickets. It's been a ruthless, it's been a brutal performance from Durham, and just what this home crowd wanted to see. Gordon Mutchell.